If you're looking to set up any kind of like fencing in your backyard, so maybe you have chickens or maybe you have a garden that you're trying to prevent other animals from getting into, this is a really good solution. It was actually sent to me for review, so I'm excited to show you what it looks like. So here's what it looks like, and it is a 16 gauge fencing or netting, and this one in particular is 36 by 50, so you can see just how large it is, and then just the space in between each of these squares also. So it's 2.3 inch mesh, but yeah, it looks really great. It's very solid and nice and sturdy, and then I like that it comes with these little zip ties, so again, you can close it as needed. You do also get a pair of this is a bolt cutter, so you have that included, and then you also have some gloves, which I thought was really nice. So I'm gonna get this open and play with it outside, and I will check back in, but so far it is looking good. This is a separate product, but I do recommend that you get this alongside with the netting, because these are actually posts that will allow you to put up the netting a lot easier. So you do get a set of 10 of these, and you can see that they have these hooks on them just to help you be able to lay the fencing exactly how you want and to make sure it's going to be nice and stable. So you have those all throughout. Again, you get 10 of these, and the quality on these is really good. It's a metal as well, and it is weatherproof, so you're going to have it outside. We'll make sure it's not going to be rusting or causing any issues. Here it is outside, and what I really like about this is the PVC coating. So it is rust proof and it is corrosion resistant as well, which is super important. Again, if you're going to have this outside, you want to make sure that it is going to be corrosion resistant. It's not going to get rust or anything like that with the elements. So it looks really, really good. I also really like that it's more of a design for long-term exposure. So with the sun, just make sure that you're wearing gloves when you're handling this, because it does have some sharp edges. So make sure that you have those available. But I like that the wire cutters were included. So again, you can adjust this as needed. Here's what it looks like. Again, I just wanted to expand it out so that you could see all the squares and just exactly what it looks like when it's unrolled. I'm using these posts. They don't come with it, but I feel like these were really good at making it to where it's nice and stable, and that it's going to, you can adjust it as needed. These aren't included, but I really like them for this specific purpose. So definitely something to consider, but this wire mesh is amazing. So here I am. All you have to do is hammer it to get it into the ground, which is super easy. You don't have to do any digging or any of that. If you have a driving tool, that would work too, but I'm just using a hammer. I also really like, again, that this has the hooks on it. So here it is in the ground. It's not moving. It's nice and stable, but you can see that it does have the hooks on here. So that way they're U-shaped, so you can actually pop the wire on them, but you can see how large they are. So just to make sure that it is going to stay in place nicely once you have the fence, you can see here that I'm testing it out with a fence, just so you can actually see where it would actually sit. And again, makes it very versatile so that you can create exactly what you need to for your backyard space. So I really like this. It's very durable. It will be good with the elements as well. And again, very, very easy to install. You just need a hammer. You don't need to do any digging or anything like that. Very easy, very effective. Love this one.